Welcome to this tutorial on creating a festive Christmas coloring book using Creative Fabrica's Studio. This is a fun and simple way to create a Christmas activity that both kids and adults will love. To get started, open Studio and create a new design. Set the dimensions to A4. This is the ideal size for a coloring book page. Once your canvas is ready, head over to the graphics panel. Search for festive keywords like Christmas, snowflakes, and reindeer, paired with the word coloring. You'll discover a wide variety of images perfect for your book. Feel free to combine and arrange them on your canvas, resizing and rotating them to fit your design just right. To add an extra touch to your coloring book page, consider including some text. Choose a fun holiday message or a simple title for the page. Make sure to give the text a black border and set the font color to white so it's ready to be colored in later. When you're happy with your design, simply click Share and download your page as a PDF. Then, repeat the process to create additional pages for your coloring book. And that's it! You've just created your very own Christmas coloring book. Happy crafting! And enjoy the holiday season with your custom-made creation.